Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome to this week's episode. We're here in San Francisco, California. We're doing an urban adventure today. So this is our adventure of the city.
What's up? We are stuck in some California traffic right now, but we're heading to the airport. We're gonna pick up Anderson's sister. She's joining us for a few days of adventure, and then we're actually gonna meet up with another one of our buddies, spend the day here in San Francisco, checking out some of the cool sights and just sort of exploring the city. We'll see if they comment on how badly we smell. I changed my socks. Who's this?
Nothing? So excited that nothing's going on!
San Francisco is home to one of the most iconic bridges in the world, the Golden Gate Bridge. We're gonna go check it out.
Oh goodness! Even while in the middle of one of the densest cities in the country, you can make your own adventure. Adventure is an attitude. Any activity can be approached with this attitude, and when done so, can make even the most unlikely days memorable. Can't go to San Fran without getting some clam chowder. Unless you're Noel, you'll get pizza.
This one didn't have fish. I don't like fish.
Made it to Pier 39. They're all just sleeping, eh? This is chaos. Sea lions are the weirdest animals, but they've provided us with a few laughs. Right here. What you guys doing? We're all sleeping. Get out of here. Entering the mirror maze. This is weird, eh? There's so many of you. Oh, you're in a long hallway, eh, Noah?
I feel.
If that is you.
Yeah, that's me. I thought that was you. Yeah, it's creepy.
You think you're gonna hit a mirror? Oh. Oh no.
Oh, I think I found the door.
Oh, we did it. Wait, this is the beginning.
This is the
Oh
start.
no. Is that Noel?
Where? Yeah.
Oh. Oh, maybe we're dumber than most.
You scared myself.
We touched fingers.
I'm not exit, guys.
Who even knows where he is, eh?
He is at the exit.
Is he? Oh, where? You did it. That was pretty fun. And keep these too. Sanitary.
I'm scared. I was going to go walk.
Yeah, I know.
Like
Is this a real doorway?
Yeah.
We are now entering the aquarium of the bay. Check out some fish, pet some otters, play with some sharks. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. It's so weird, eh?
Mesmerizing.
I know, and it's like, do they have a brain? What are they doing? Whoa, shark, shark. We're in Santa Clara, and we're going to a San Francisco 49ers football game. Try that again after I... Whoop, 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 whoop. This is Nate, our friend, former Olympian. And
You're still a current.
Always.
You're always an Olympian.
Two-time Olympian.
Nathan Gafulik, everybody.
Hey!
It's the worst introduction ever.
So excited.
Cheers. Ooh, beer. Uber here.
Play with your Instagram.
5-star Uber right here. Instagram.
We are planning on doing Big Sur all day Tuesday.
Well broken. That thing goes on, then this thing goes on. Beer, 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 beer. All right, let's go. Well, there's not much left. I lost 20 bucks. She was a rough one.
It was a good game. It was a great game. In fact, the best game I've ever seen. Might have been the only game I've ever seen. I don't know.
It was the only game I've ever seen.
they made that score in the third quadrant of the at around 9 minutes of it. What were your thoughts on that?
Garbage.
Garbage.
Yeah.
Thank you.
He stepped across the line.
Yeah, where's the line that he did step across?
Tune in to ETA next time for another epic trip adventure.
Today we're taking our adventure underwater. We're gonna do a little scuba diving. Hopefully nobody dies.